Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually sell in South Africa, and I'm going to give you the complete breakdown step by step of how you can set up your Shopify account in South Africa. The global commerce platform is Shopify.com, guys, without a doubt. And the reason behind this is the fact that they have understood the dynamics that are required for an individual to become a successful dropshipper. You can build your business with Shopify. You can sell online, offline, and everywhere in between, and discover the reason why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their business. Now, this gives us an opportunity to understand the different dynamics of this particular market, and that is one of the reasons why we make all these videos for you guys, to give you the proper understanding, the proper methodology and strategy that you can actually apply to and become successful dropshippers. And when you have millions of individuals that are selling across the globe, it gives us a chance to understand, look, research, learn from them, so we don't need to make the mistakes that they did, and we can focus on developing a successful business. And Shopify is actually present in 170 plus countries, and a total US e-commerce of 10% is actually done on Shopify.com. With a global economic activity of $444 billion, this is a massive market, guys. And one of the beautiful things about Shopify is the fact that you can bring your vision to life with their simple drag and drop store creator. And there's no coding expertise that are required, guys, because you don't need to hire a front-end developer or a back-end developer. You can easily select from customizable templates that are created by a community of world-class designers. And further than that, guys, you can even add more features and functionalities to your online stores with the apps that are built by trusted Shopify developers. You can sell to every buyer everywhere. You can sell online, in person, and around the world with the marketing tools and social integrations and sales channels that you would need to get your product in front of customers. And one of the most beautiful things is the fact that this has one of the best converting checkouts on the planet, where you can back your business with ShopPay, the one-click checkout that's built to convert. And further than that, guys, a point of sale system that allows customers to shop their way from online to the checkout line. And you can find new shoppers with the SEO, social media, the content marketing tools that help you reach customers where they are, and build custom email campaigns and set automations to serve every segment, and connect with customers on the go with the integrated messaging tools. So take control of your customer data, guys, to build custom audiences and explore the customers' insight that drive ongoing growth. And when you combine all those elements together, you can manage your inventory, you can track your payments, and view real-time business insights all in one place, so you can focus on building your business. So get your products where they need to be with the integrated inventory management, streamlined returns, and a dedicated shipping and fulfillment network, and manage your business's finance all from one place with the money management and flexible funding designs with entrepreneurs in mind. Now, if you don't have an account, guys, don't worry. Click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 90 days, or just click on the start free trial. And once you do that, you'll be taken to the next page where they'll ask you a couple of questions before the dashboard is set up. For example, which of these best describes you? Are you just starting off or already selling online, or as a person? We're going to go with the fact that we're just starting off. The second question is that where would you like to sell? And you can pick as many as you like, and you can always change these later, and they'll make sure that you're set up to sell in these places. It could be an online store, an existing website or a blog, social media, online marketplace, in person, or you're not sure. We're gonna go with an online store where we can create fully customizable website as well as social media, so we can reach people through Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Once you have selected it, just click on next, and then the question comes is, which social medias do you want to sell on? Now you can add others: Shopify Inbox, TikToks, Pinterest, Instagram, or Facebook. We're just gonna select Facebook, and after you've done it, click on next to go to the next question, whereas do you have an online audience or following? And if you're engaging with an audience, guys, on the online platforms like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, then you can say yes or no. We're gonna go with the fact that yes, we are. And then after we do that, we have to select the name. Now I want to stop over here and tell you guys, this is one of the most crucial points in developing your stores. You need to make sure that you go and do some research before you select the name. name. And obviously looking at your competitors is one of the most crucial elements, and understanding the type of products that you want to sell and the niche that you want to enter is crucial. And that is one of the things that you have to keep in mind. The name really determines the factor and the future of the success of your dropshipping business. But for this video, I am just going to use this as an example. But please guys, make sure that you actually do some research before you select any name. Once you select the name, click on next, and now you have to select the country and region where you want to set up. Because we're selling in South Africa, we're going to select South Africa. And once we do, there's a pop-up that's going to come and say that it looks like you're not located in South Africa, but do you want to create a Shopify account in South Africa? Is going to have issues such as tax and duty obligations, payment issues, shipping issues, localization, and Shopify benefits, as well as terms and services. Now guys, don't worry at all, because I'm going to show you exactly how to bypass this and select the right methodology that is available. Once you click on next, you'll be taken to the next page, and the last thing that you would need to do is select the Shopify ID. Now you can continue with your email, with your Apple ID, with your Facebook ID, or with your Google ID. Now I always use Google because Gmail is one of the easiest way to set up your account. Now I want to use this particular email. Once I click on it, this is what your dashboard is going to look like, guys. On the left hand side, you're going to have your home, your orders where you'll have your draft and abandoned checkouts. You'll have your products from your inventories, from your transfers, from collection and gift cards, and then you're going to have your customers. Now if you have accounts on different platforms, you can always import your customers and bring them to Shopify. Then you would have your analytics where you will have your reports and your live views where you can clearly see exactly what is happening on your store, which is very crucial in understanding the sort of strategy that you want to develop in order to scale your business. And the marketing is very unique. I absolutely love the automations and the campaigns because it gives you a control over what kind of sales and what kind of marketing that you want to do. You also have discounts for your loyal customers. If you click on the online store, you would have your theme, your blog posts, your pages, navigations, and preferences. Now there's a lot of themes that are available, guys, that you can select from and which are completely free. Then there's certain themes that are paid for. I always recommend everyone that watches my videos to make sure that they select a free theme before they go for a paid one. And once your dropshipping business starts to take off, you would have the financial means to upgrade, and only upgrade and increase your fixed costs when you actually have enough cash in the account. So please make sure that you follow my tips to ensure that you're always one step ahead. You can also integrate your Facebook and Instagram. Now the thing with Shopify that I absolutely love is the fact that the level of integration that's available is absolutely brilliant. They have everything available. All you need to do is connect the things together and just get the dots in the right places, and you're ready and set to go. Now before you do any of that, head over to settings. Now settings is very important. Like I said before, we want to be selling in South Africa. Our billing and information is in South Africa. Our South African rand is available as our store currency, which is very crucial. And after we do that, we'll go up, and the most important things you have to do is head over to tax and duties. Now every single country tends to have a different tax and duty, but you got to make sure that you include the taxes in the prices. You charge the tax on shipping and you charge VAT on digital goods. Once you've selected that, just click on save. Once that has been saved, you will scroll right back up again and head over to locations just to make sure that the information and the location of our shop is based in South Africa. It is not. You can always add a new location and change the location. Now we're going to head over to markets. Now you have to make sure that the primary market is based in South Africa, which is correct. And if you click on manage, you'll be able to see the information that's placed inside of it, from the domain and the languages and the products and the pricings and the duties and the taxing and the shipping that's available. Now all the information seems to be correct, guys, and it doesn't feel that anything is out of place. The last thing that you need to make sure is head over to policies, because you have to give a refund policy for your store, and you can add a policy to your online store by clicking over here. Now these templates are not legal advices, and by using these templates you agree that you've read and agreed with the disclaimer. So please make sure you put the refund policy, and you can always create from a template as well. As you can see, the information has been built from the template. Now if you scroll down, you would need a privacy policy and create from template the privacy policy, and if there's anything that you need to change, you can easily change it from here as well. And the last thing you have to do is create a terms of service. Now this is very crucial, guys, and please make sure that you read through it to make sure that this is accurate and according to the country where you want to sell it. And after you've done it, please sure you put your shipping policy and your contact information. You can easily create your contact information from the template as well, from your trade name, your phone number, your email, your physical address, your VAT number, and your trade number. Once you've put all this information in, guys, just click on save and all the information is going to be saved. That is how simple, straightforward, and easy setting up your account in South Africa is. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can always ask us in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.